Have you ever stared into the night sky and wondered, is there anyone else out there? It's a profound question that has intrigued us for centuries. As we gaze into the seemingly infinite expanse of the cosmos, we are reminded of our smallness, but also of the boundless possibilities that lay in those distant galaxies. With current advancements in technology, we've discovered over 4,000 exoplanets, worlds orbiting stars beyond our own solar system. Each one of these celestial bodies holds the potential for life, a tantalizing prospect that fuels our relentless pursuit of knowledge. Our universe is vast, so vast that it's hard to comprehend. And in this immensity, could we really be the only ones? It's a cosmic question that not only piques our curiosity, but also pushes the boundaries of our understanding. So, let's put on our imaginary space helmets, fasten our seatbelts, and embark on a journey through the cosmos, exploring these far-off worlds. Exoplanets, worlds beyond our solar system, orbit stars just like our Earth orbits the Sun. These celestial bodies, known as exoplanets, are an exciting frontier in our quest to understand the universe. Just as a detective uses clues to solve a mystery, astronomers use various methods to detect these distant worlds. One method is the transit method. Picture this. You're watching a star, and suddenly, its brightness dips slightly. This could mean that an exoplanet is passing in front of it, or transiting, blocking a tiny fraction of its light. By observing these dips in brightness, we can deduce the size of the exoplanet and even some information about its atmosphere. Another method is the radial velocity method. You know how a siren's pitch changes as it moves towards or away from you? That's due to a phenomenon called the Doppler effect. Similarly, as a planet orbits a star, it tugs the star, causing it to wobble. This wobble changes the color of the star's light in a way that we can measure. From this, we can infer the presence of a planet and estimate its mass. With these methods and others, astronomers have confirmed the existence of over 4,000 exoplanets, and there are thousands more potential candidates waiting to be confirmed. Some of these exoplanets are gas giants like Jupiter, while others are rocky worlds, not much bigger than Earth. Some orbit so close to their stars that their surfaces are molten lava, while others are icy worlds in the chilly outskirts of their systems. But among these thousands of exoplanets, some have shown potential to support life. They lie in the habitable zone of their stars where conditions might be just right for liquid water and maybe even life as we know it to exist. So as we gaze out into the cosmos, we can't help but wonder, could one of these distant worlds be our Earth 2.0? Not all exoplanets are created equal. The key to finding life lies within a sweet spot known as the habitable zone. The habitable zone, also known as the Goldilocks zone, is the area around a star where conditions are just right, not too hot, not too cold, for liquid water to exist on a planet's surface. Liquid water, as we know it, is a vital ingredient for life. When we talk about the habitable zone, we're really talking about a delicate balance. It's like a cosmic dance where the star and the planet must be perfectly synchronized. The planet can't be too close to the star or the intense heat would cause any water to evaporate. On the other hand, if the planet is too far away, the cold temperatures would freeze any liquid water. But the distance from the star is just one part of the equation. The size of the planet matters too. If the planet is too small, it won't have enough gravity to hold onto an atmosphere. Without an atmosphere, the surface water would quickly evaporate into space. If the planet is too large, it might have a thick, heavy atmosphere that creates extreme pressure at the surface. Conditions that could be inhospitable for life. Lastly, the planet's composition plays a critical role. For life as we know it to flourish, the planet needs to have a rocky surface, like Earth, and not be a gas giant like Jupiter or Saturn. So, finding an exoplanet that ticks all these boxes, the right distance from its star, the right size, and the right composition, is no small feat. It's like searching for that perfect cup of coffee in a city full of cafes. You know it's out there, but finding it requires a bit of luck and a lot of perseverance. Finding an exoplanet in the habitable zone is like finding a needle in a cosmic haystack. And yet, with every new discovery, we inch closer to answering one of the most profound questions in science. Are we alone in the universe? Meet some of the most promising candidates in our search for alien life. As we journey through the cosmos, we find ourselves drawn to certain celestial bodies that spark our curiosity and imagination. One such fascinating world is Kepler-22b, a planet located over 600 light-years away. This exoplanet is about 2.5 times the size of Earth and sits comfortably in the habitable zone of its star. Its average surface temperature is thought to be similar to a warm spring day on Earth, suggesting the potential for liquid water. Next on our cosmic tour is Proxima Centauri b. It's located in the habitable zone of the star Proxima Centauri, the closest star to our solar system. What makes this planet particularly intriguing is its Earth-like size. This similarity in size leads scientists to hypothesize that Proxima Centauri b could potentially have a rocky surface like our own planet. Then there's TRAPPIST-1e, part of a system of 7 Earth-sized planets around a single star. It's just a smidge larger than Earth, and receives about the same amount of light as we do from our sun. Could this be a place where life as we know it could flourish? And finally, we have Teegarden Star b, a planet only slightly larger than Earth, and potentially habitable. It's part of a relatively young solar system, giving us a glimpse into how our own planet might have looked billions of years ago. These planets and others like them are the most promising candidates in our search for alien life. Each discovery brings us one step closer to answering the question that has captivated humanity for centuries. Are we alone in the universe? Every exoplanet we find provides us with a new world to explore and understand. Each one is a piece of the cosmic puzzle, helping us to comprehend our place in this vast and beautiful universe. These planets offer tantalizing possibilities for the existence of alien life. As we continue our exploration, who knows what we might discover next? As technology advances, so does our ability to explore these distant worlds. We're on the precipice of a new era in our cosmic journey, powered by breakthroughs in technology and an insatiable curiosity to understand the universe. Take, for instance, the upcoming James Webb Space Telescope, an astronomical game-changer. Set to launch soon, this marvel of engineering is designed to peer into the farthest reaches of the universe. With its unprecedented resolution and sensitivity, James Webb will help us characterize the atmospheres of exoplanets and search for the chemical signatures of life. Imagine that, detecting signs of life billions of miles away. Now, let's turn our gaze towards the Plato mission. Short for Planetary Transits and Oscillations of Stars, this mission by the European Space Agency is designed to find and study a large number of exoplanets. The goal? To discover Earth-like planets in the habitable zones around their stars, where conditions could be just right for life as we know it. Plato, with its array of telescopes, will scrutinize thousands of bright stars over large areas of the sky, hunting for tiny dips in light caused by planets passing in front of their stars. These missions, among others, represent our growing ambition to venture deeper into space, and our commitment to unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos. Each new discovery, each new world detected, brings us a step closer to answering the question that has captivated humanity for centuries. Are we alone in the universe? But the exploration of exoplanets isn't just about finding alien life. It's about understanding the vast and diverse cosmic neighborhood we're a part of. It's about the pursuit of knowledge and the thrill of discovery. It's about pushing the boundaries of what we know and daring to imagine what we could find. The future of exoplanet exploration is bright, and who knows what we might discover next. Our journey through the cosmos brings us back to our original question. In our quest to comprehend the universe, we've discovered exoplanets that could support life. These distant worlds, orbiting stars beyond our solar system, showcase the diversity of planetary systems in our galaxy. The key factors we look for are size, composition, and distance from their star. These determine if liquid water, crucial for life as we know it, could exist on the planet's surface. Just imagine standing on the surface of one of these alien worlds, looking up at a sky filled with unfamiliar constellations. While we're not there yet, advancements in space technology are inching us closer to answering the age-old question: are we alone in the universe? So, as we continue to explore and understand our universe, the question remains: are we alone? Only time will tell.